How to make a collage on Instagram story. The first thing that we'll be doing is that we're gonna tap on the plus button here on the your story part right here. Tap on that, and then from here you can just choose a photo if you that you want, or maybe a video, whatever background you'd want. But in my case, I'll just tap here on the camera button, and from here, basically what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna tap here to the double A icon, and I will now be able to choose different backgrounds. And when I tap on the screen, I would be able to basically change the color right here. So tap here on the color, as you can see right here. So you want to tap here so that you'd be able to change the color. And now once you have chosen your background, the next thing that you can do is that you want to tap here on the stickers icon. And from here, you would want to tap on photos. And then you want to add photos in here that you would want to add. So for example, I'm just going to go for my sample photos here. And basically, you can just rearrange them in a collage style. And by the way, when you tap on your photos, you can change the shape right here, depending on what you want. So maybe I want a cut that is this one right here, something unique, maybe something like a square there, and then I can just add more photos. Basically just tap on the sticker icon again and tap here on the photos that you want to add again, and then you can tap on it again so that you'd be able to change the cut of your photos. Let's say heart, and then you'd be able to rearrange them now right here. So this is basically how you can make a collage. All you have to do now is just repeat the same steps, and you will now be able to have your own collage here on Instagram. So yeah, this is basically how you can do this. All that's left is for you to rearrange this and style it however you want.